Pi2Day2025 is launching pioneers to scale next-generation app creation and platform utilities. The ecosystem challenge will run from June 27th to July 7th. Yeah, yesterday marks a pivotal moment in cryptocurrency world. Pi has introduced two exciting features to the ecosystem and provided various tech and product updates. First, Pi App Studio is an AI-powered platform that enables anyone to create Pi apps without coding. Created to solve problems the world faces as AI advances, based on both blockchain and AI technologies. Second, Ecosystem Directory Staking is another platform-level utility that allows pioneers and businesses to boost apps ranking in the ecosystem interface by staking Pi on the mainnet blockchain. Let me prove it. Open your Pi app and see if your homepage looks like this. Even on this official website, confirm that Pi Network core team released two major features. While the world debates how artificial intelligence will replace human jobs, Pi Network just revealed their revolutionary solution that ensures AI production benefits real humans through blockchain technology. So, Pioneer, are you ready to be a creator, a supporter through staking, or both? If you could turn your biggest passion or expertise into an AI-powered app that serves millions of people worldwide, what problem would you solve first? With Pi Network now enabling anyone to become an app creator without coding, do you think this will finally level the playing field between tech giants and everyday innovators? Given that Pi is solving the critical problem of how AI benefits should be distributed to real humans rather than corporations, what role do you see yourself playing in this AI blockchain revolution? Be honest in the comments. The most insightful comments might just become the topic of our next deep dive video. This isn't just another crypto update. This is the blueprint for humanity's economic survival in the age of artificial intelligence, and you're about to discover exactly how Pi Network is positioning every pioneer to thrive in this new world. Let's first greet and welcome you all to your favorite Pi Network channel, where we dive deep into the revolutionary developments that are reshaping our digital future. Wherever you're turning in from, truly thank you for choosing to be with me once again. Before we explore this groundbreaking Pi2Day announcement that will change everything you thought you knew about AI and blockchain integration, I need to see that unstoppable pioneer spirit. Just join our community by smashing subscribe and ring notification bell so you never miss an update. Also drop a comment saying Pi Network to the moon, along with your country name to show the world the true power of our global Pi family spanning over 200 countries and regions. I'm Nathan, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how Pi Network just launched two game-changing platforms that solve fundamental problems the world faces as AI advances. First, you'll discover Pi App Studio, a revolutionary AI application platform that transforms anyone into an app creator using guided workflows powered by Gen AI capabilities, enabling creators to build blockchain-integrated applications without any technical background. Second, I'll show you the Ecosystem Directory Staking feature that allows pioneers and businesses to actively support Pi apps through a decentralized staking mechanism that directly impacts app rankings and ecosystem growth. Plus, I'll walk you through the Pi2Day Ecosystem Challenge, where you can win digital prizes while exploring these incredible new features that are rolling out right now. Let's now get started. Let me paint you a picture of the world we're living in today. We stand at a pivotal moment with respect to AI infrastructure breakthroughs, but humanity faces three critical problems that remain unsolved. The infancy of the AI application layer between AI infrastructure and real production creates a massive gap between technological capability and practical utility. There's a dangerous lack of clarity regarding the role of human labor and intelligence in an AI-dominated future. Most concerning are the lingering questions about human well-being in an AI-pervasive world where artificial intelligence could generate unprecedented amounts of production, yet we have no clear system for distributing these benefits to maintain acceptable levels of equality and equity among human beings. Pi Network believes these problems can be solved using both AI and blockchain technologies working together in ways most people haven't even imagined. While many projects focus narrowly on decentralized AI applications, concentrating only on decentralized data, computing, governance, and ownership for AI accountability, Pi Network sees a more fundamental utility of blockchain technology. Now, here's where Pi Network's unique positioning becomes absolutely crucial. Achieving this revolutionary vision requires 4 critical components that most blockchain projects simply cannot provide. First, authenticity must be established to accurately distinguish real humans from AI entities, ensuring distribution benefits go to genuine people rather than artificial actors. Second, there needs to be a flourishing and prolific AI application layer that bridges advanced AI infrastructure with practical, real-world production, empowering creators to easily build innovative AI-driven applications integrated with blockchain technology. Third, a vibrant social network is essential to widely distribute these applications, facilitating their practical use by millions of people while enabling sustainable business models that benefit creators. Finally, leveraging blockchain's intrinsic features of accountability and transparent rights management ensures that production generated by these applications directly and equitably benefits genuine human users within the ecosystem. Pi Network is uniquely positioned to tackle these massive challenges effectively because they've already established all the critical foundational elements necessary to revolutionize this space. For authenticity, Pi has developed a native KYC solution requiring every account to pass rigorous identity verification before onboarding onto the Pi mainnet, ensuring an unprecedented level of humanness in their community. Currently, over 13.7 million people have successfully migrated to the Pi mainnet after their identity verifications were processed by Pi KYC, creating the largest verified human blockchain community in existence. To meet the need for a massive social network, Pi boasts one of the largest global crypto-enabled social networks with over 60 million engaged members across more than 200 countries and regions, providing instant global distribution channels for any application built on their platform. For blockchain accountability and transparent features, Pi originated as a blockchain project and employed equitable design principles in its mining mechanism to ensure that the benefits of its network are widely accessible and inclusively shared by the community rather than concentrated among technical elites. Finally, to facilitate that crucial flourishing AI application layer, today Pi officially released Pi App Studio powered by Gen AI capabilities, enabling creators, not just engineers, to easily create and launch innovative blockchain-integrated AI applications that solve real-world problems. Pi App Studio represents one of the most ambitious attempts to achieve a vision shared by technologists worldwide, a world where anyone can create and run applications using human languages without needing any technical background whatsoever. Beyond its impressive Gen AI capability, the aspects that truly differentiate Pi App Studio from other current Gen AI programming platforms are its guided app creation workflows, access to millions of potential creators and users for generated apps, and an efficient iteration process that Pi believes is absolutely necessary for real product building. Instead of just creating and running basic apps, Pi App Studio, combined with other existing Pi ecosystem components, enables the creation of functional online products that can generate real revenue and provide genuine value to users worldwide. The need for guided workflows stems from Pi's deep insight that not everyone possesses the expertise to build successful products. Enabling anyone to build products requires solving much more than just the engineering barrier of entry. That's actually only half of the complex problem. With the rise of artificial intelligence, the limiting factor in app creation has shifted dramatically from technical ability to creativity and distribution, specifically what to build and where to deploy these creations for maximum impact. Guided workflows become essential to help ordinary people extract and integrate their domain knowledge, expertise, and unique talents into real products that genuinely benefit others and create sustainable value in the marketplace. Pi explains this concept through a powerful analogy. If you give a blank canvas and brush to a person who never learned to paint, they may still not be able to produce a good painting despite having access to all the necessary tools. Creating a beautiful painting that incorporates a person's unique perspective and creativity requires an educational and guided workflow that provides the necessary structure and guidance for them to transform their vision into reality. Similarly, Pi App Studio provides the structured guidance that transforms anyone's expertise into valuable applications. New products desperately need users who test and provide constructive feedback, enabling further iteration and improvement to features and business models to ensure products remain sustainable and valuable. That's exactly what the existing social network and ecosystem components of Pi Network provide to app creators in abundance. App creators benefit from real-world feedback on their products from existing pioneers, allowing them to continuously improve their offerings and create viable business models within Pi using current Pi products like Pi Ad Network, .Pi domains, and Pi Wallet. In return, the Pi ecosystem benefits from scalable app creation by diverse creators, massive utility expansion, and unprecedented community engagement that strengthens the entire network. The significance of this AI initiative extends far beyond simple app creation and encompasses three revolutionary aspects that will reshape how we think about technology and human creativity. First, Pi Network contributes meaningfully to the AI application layer of the entire world by innovating through guided app creation workflows built atop recent AI infrastructure breakthroughs while leveraging the collective creativity of the Pi community and the powerful distribution channels of Pi's global social network. Second, they're actively experimenting to explore an economic model that provides for the sustainable coexistence of human intelligence and artificial intelligence using blockchain technology, addressing an essential global problem that must be solved in the future age of AI dominance. Third, they're scaling the grassroots capability of non-technical pioneers to use their respective expertise to innovate, create applications, and develop ecosystem utility using both AI and blockchain technologies, allowing for more iterations and attempts by a wider range of people at app creation in a completely decentralized manner at drastically cheaper engineering costs than what was required to create applications in the traditional Web 2 era. By combining cutting-edge AI with the comprehensive tools and collective resources of Pi Network, Pi App Studio is strategically positioned to assist people with turning their knowledge and expertise into real-world applications that others can actively use and benefit from in meaningful ways. The version released today includes two powerful options that demonstrate the platform's incredible versatility and potential. The first option provides a comprehensive workflow that gives pioneers the ability to create topic-specific chatbots trained and automated through advanced AI, taking advantage of the creator's domain knowledge and expertise to refine Gen AI chatbots and deliver superior answers to users' questions on specific topics while customizing user experiences in unprecedented ways. The second option represents an open platform currently in beta that allows pioneers to create virtually any type of application they already have in mind without needing to write a single line of code. Pioneers can use natural human language, not complex programming code, to create exactly the app they want to build and own completely. Because this revolutionary feature is still in beta testing, access may be limited initially, and the user experience continues to be refined based on creator feedback and usage patterns. Once creators complete their chatbots, other application types, or completely custom apps, Pi App Studio automatically helps app creators deploy their creations to cloud servers using advanced AI and launch their applications directly to the Pi ecosystem for immediate use by millions of pioneers. Based on valuable user feedback, creators can iteratively determine what truly resonates with pioneers make necessary changes to their apps through a process similar to the original creation flow, and redeploy and republish their improved apps to the community, all through Pi App Studio without ever needing to learn complex coding or technical deployment processes. Pi Network's unique strengths, including potential engagement from Pi's tens of millions of identity-verified pioneers who actively use and own Pi cryptocurrency, create powerful incentives that motivate app creators to prioritize quality, sustainable growth, and accuracy in their applications. The better an app performs and serves its users, the more likely people will use it regularly, share it with others, and contribute to its long-term success within the ecosystem. Creating applications through Pi App Studio means you can own and operate a complete business and product built entirely around your unique knowledge and innovative ideas, made possible through the strategic use of artificial intelligence and fully supported by the comprehensive blockchain ecosystem of Pi Network, with its millions of engaged users ready to discover and support quality applications. While other projects struggle with data management and user verification processes, Pi Network has enterprise-grade solutions handling everything seamlessly. Firebase's analytics and crash reporting capabilities continuously enhance the app's performance, security, and user experience. This means Pi Network is constantly improving based on real data from millions of users. While other crypto projects are shooting in the dark with their development decisions, Pi Network has access to enterprise-level insights that guide every improvement. What makes this partnership even more brilliant is the financial structure. Firebase offers dual plans including Spark, which provides free access with high limits, and Blaze, which operates on a pay-as-you-go model. This allowed Pi Network to scale sustainably without requiring millions in upfront infrastructure costs. They could grow as user demand exploded while maintaining system stability and security through Google's global infrastructure. In clear investment terms, Pi Network began with a lean, efficient model and expanded intelligently, backed by Google's proven capacity to scale without compromising on performance or security. This is exactly the kind of strategic thinking that separates successful tech companies from the countless startups that burn through investor money on unnecessary infrastructure. From the beginning, Pi Network also integrated Google reCAPTCHA to protect its system from bots, spam, and fraudulent accounts. This technology is trusted globally by banks, major crypto exchanges, and social media platforms. It ensures that only real users participate in Pi mining, keeping the ecosystem clean and robust. This has given Pi Network a critical edge over copycat crypto applications that often struggle with bot attacks and fraudulent activities that completely undermine their credibility and security. Pi Network's listing on the Google Play Store with over 50 million downloads underscores its credibility and technological readiness. Gaining approval on Google Play is no small achievement. It requires meeting Google's stringent privacy and security standards while maintaining the ability to deliver seamless updates to a global user base. Many crypto projects never even make it onto major app stores because they can't meet these basic requirements. This level of accessibility has made Pi Network a gateway for everyday users to enter the crypto and Web3 space without the typical barriers associated with most crypto platforms. While many crypto projects remain confined to theoretical discussions, endless testnets, and limited communities of tech enthusiasts, Pi Network has already transitioned into a functional, scalable platform used by tens of millions of real people worldwide. Its unique position is strengthened by the fact that it runs continuously on Google Cloud infrastructure, ensuring high availability, robust security, and seamless updates. This technical foundation gives Pi Network a distinct advantage in the increasingly competitive crypto and Web3 environment. When other projects are dealing with downtime and technical issues, Pi Network just keeps running. For crypto investors, banking institutions, crypto analysts, and Web3 builders, this infrastructure partnership signals that Pi Network is not merely another speculative token project. It is a practical application with the infrastructure to support real-world use cases and mass adoption. This is the kind of fundamental analysis that smart money looks for when evaluating long-term crypto investments. As user demand grows and Pi's ecosystem expands, its reliance on scalable cloud infrastructure means it can adapt quickly, implement updates efficiently, and manage a global user base without the disruptions that constantly plague smaller projects. This scalability advantage becomes more valuable as the crypto market matures and users demand reliable, professional-grade experiences. The narrative of decentralized systems often focuses exclusively on blockchain technology. However, Pi Network's growth story illustrates that the future of Web3 is actually the intelligent convergence of blockchain and cloud infrastructure. By leveraging Google's infrastructure, Pi Network exemplifies how decentralization and centralized scalability can coexist, enabling a reliable user experience while supporting global scale. This is a critical lesson for crypto startups aiming to achieve sustainable growth rather than just generating hype. The crypto sector is evolving rapidly, with banking institutions and crypto analysts increasingly monitoring projects that offer genuine utility and scalability rather than just speculative potential. Pi Network's infrastructure-backed growth positions it exceptionally well to capture a significant share of the market as Web3 expands into mainstream adoption. Ecosystem directory staking represents another groundbreaking platform-level utility that introduces a completely decentralized way for pioneers and businesses to actively support and promote the ranking of Pi apps and utilities within the ecosystem interface. Accessible through the Pi browser and being rolled out starting today, June 28th, this revolutionary feature enables pioneers and businesses to stake their Pi directly on the mainnet blockchain for apps of their choosing, directly boosting that app's ranking within the ecosystem while providing greater exposure to applications that demonstrate higher quality and meaningful community engagement. Strategically, this innovative mechanism represents a platform-level utility that makes powerful use of Pi's collective attention resource, not only supporting apps and utilities through the crowd power of the Pi community, but also distinguishing itself completely from typical Web2 app ranking systems that are largely controlled by either rigid algorithms that create information silos or massive advertising corporations that prioritize profit over quality. This feature promotes a virtuous cycle specifically designed to elevate quality applications and decentralize influence across the entire Pi Network ecosystem in ways that benefit creators and users equally. Pioneers, this Pi2Day announcement represents far more than simple feature updates. This is Pi Network establishing itself as the undisputed leader in solving the most critical challenges of our AI-driven future. While other blockchain projects are still struggling with basic functionality, Pi Network is already building the comprehensive infrastructure for tomorrow's economy, where human creativity and artificial intelligence work together to create unprecedented value and opportunity for everyone. Don't forget to participate in the Pi2Day Ecosystem Challenge running from June 27th through July 7th, where you can explore these revolutionary features while earning exciting digital prizes that celebrate your involvement in this historic moment. If this information opened your eyes to the incredible future Pi Network is building, smash that like button, subscribe for the latest Pi Network developments, and ring the notification bell so you never miss breaking news about the most innovative blockchain project in the world. Share your thoughts in the comments about what kind of application you'll create with Pi App Studio, and remember to include Pi Network to the moon with your country flag to show our global pioneer pride. The future is being built right now, and Pi Network is leading humanity toward an AI-integrated world where everyone benefits. Are you ready to be part of this revolutionary transformation that will define the next century of human progress?